So today I'm going to how to make slime. All this slime right here in this bucket or box or this big thing of glue. The like utensils that you will need is a bowl, obviously. Something to mix your borax in, but if you are using like another laundry detergent, you don't need this step. This is just for borax people. That sounded weird. But yeah, this is just like for the borax mix. Obviously a container to hold it in when you're done. Something to mix with, and food coloring is optional, but this is the main ingredient that everyone has been dying for. Elmer's glue. Give this video a thumbs up if you like slime or if you've ever made slime. What you're gonna need to do first is do the borax mix. So as you can see, it's like this powdery kind of thing. It smells like nothing. And yeah, so what you're gonna need to do not put too much in. First, you're gonna need to pour hot water in, and it has to be totally hot. There's really no correct measurements. Just don't put a whole lot of borax in this, because you honestly don't need that much, depending on how much slime you make. So the next part is the glue. So I'm basically just gonna go like that. I had to put my flash on because you guys probably couldn't see me as well. So I only put like 5 drops in. A green color. So I'm only putting like 5 drops of each in. Yeah, this makes a really pretty color, honestly. It might not look as good, but in person it looks better. It makes this beautiful color. Next part is the borax. So here's my hot cup of borax. It looks like water. So this next part you have to be very careful with. You only add like a little bit and then you mix it slowly. Very messy, but once the slime comes together, it picks up all this stuff around, like all this green stuff that you don't need. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting to come together a lot. And like and subscribe. Alright, and for the last part of this process, this is a very nice slime. Bye.